Hi, good evening. I'm talking while walking. I didn't have a habit of walking in the evening. I was only concerned about yoga, pranayam, stretching. I used to be a good athlete during my school days. I was not a good player, but yes, I was a good athlete. I used to be termed as a tough guy. If a person half my age was not able to defeat me in hand wrestling, today I'm 55. Second, I'm COVID survivor. Third, I lost someone during the COVID time who's very close to me and my family. When I recovered from COVID, I realized that I'm not in the same physical and mental frame after getting recovered. Physical, I was not able to put same effort in all my activities. I used to get tired very fast. I didn't have the same strength which I had. I lost 10 kg. Mental, I was worried about the negativity around. I was part of COVID task force team. So 24 hours I was into the COVID activities, hospitals, oxygen, bed, patients, ambulance and whatnot. By the way, I'm engineer by profession, given a responsibility of my hospital. Now, once I came to realize that if I have to come to the old shape, then I have to put really some effort. I never used to walk. Walking was not my cup of tea. I used to do pranayam. Pranayam used to give me good support, good sound system, and I was not very concerned because I didn't have to put much of physical effort. But after becoming COVID positive and then subsequently when I got recovered, I found that it was becoming difficult for me to go for same type of pranayam, same type of activities, same type of breathing activities. It was becoming difficult. So I chose the path of walking. Morning walk was not possible, so I opted for evening walk. Now walking alone used to give me very boring therapy. So I started listening to motivational talks while walking, and then I came to understand what these guys are speaking. These are already there in my thought process, and if they can speak, why can't I? And moreover, I think I have an edge over them because I am not as successful as they are, and I have encountered many things which they might have not. So I might be having an edge over these guys, and I will be able to attract the attention of many listeners. And that's why I'm here, I'm talking to you all. Continue watching and listening to me. Thank you.